I stopped filming. Sorry, I was like.
No, it's cool. No, the only thing that don't ever put one of these on the floor if you're driving a car. I saw that smoke.
I know.
I saw that dust. That's the dust from the sanding, and I thought it was the smoke, so we shut the car off in the middle of the road. I mean, this isn't a road. This is actually this is the Rusted Garage test track.
Oh,
So,
I like that.
Yeah,
I like that.
This is the Rusted Garage test track. Nothing. These look like.
These are closed roads.
Yeah, these look like mailboxes over here, but really they're just simulated entryways. I know you guys probably think I'm driving this car like kind of hard right now, but the truth is I kind of only do this like periodically and sometimes on camera, and like as I've said several times, I'm selling this car after like the build is done, and I want to make sure that this is like good for the next buyer, and you know, we're going to kind of drive it a little bit hard and, you know, see how things, you know. Yeah. It's the funniest thing seeing this thing on the street. So we just got to check engine light, and I mean, I don't know, I can't possibly imagine why. Can you guys? No idea, not a clue. But we got a couple other lights on too, so we're gonna see if Joel can help us get rid of those. So let's see what we got here. I swear it didn't just come from the junkyard. What's up, dude?
What's going on, man?
Or
Yeah, I'll go through and do it by like the year and all.
cool, man.
It takes too long to put in the VIN on this thing. So you hear beep, 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 beep. You've got a PO453 for a fuel tank pressure sensor circuit high voltage.
Okay.
PO450 for a evap fuel tank pressure sensor performance. So it's just the same fucking thing.
Yeah, all the evap stuff.
Yeah, so yeah, it's just the fuel tank pressure circuit.
So just 2 codes, that's it, nothing else?
That's on the engine so far, don't get feisty. Let's see, SRS passes with no fault.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I guess you just have to clear that light if you can.
Yeah, probably will.
No rear bumper gang. Yo! About to get hit by a car. Is he also missing his door card though? Let's see. Nope. Oh.
Not a car this is, it would be a complete waste to have it as an
I don't think she wants to drive it right now.
I don't think
Yeah.
it's legal. There's pieces missing from it. You get pulled over.
So this is the base model. It's kind of missing a couple parts.
Okay.
If you're over like 6'2", you should not get an S2000. Just don't do it.
So tight.
Ryan's like 0 out of 10 right now. That one spot will not come out, but just sort of doing the sanding work. Guys, we're getting pretty close here. This is it's almost gonna be a respectable car that's all one color and looks half decent. We're we're really close there. It probably doesn't seem like it yet, but trust me, we're getting there. All right, so you guys are here to witness the decision being made. So we were only gonna paint like some of the car just because, you know, we didn't really need to. Like the whole left side needs redone, and like the fender and the trunk here, that's gotta get redone obviously. But you know what? I want this car to look brand new when I get it back, and there's a good chance that actually could happen. So here we go.
Hey Todd, all the dust is getting in the car.
And you know, I'm not that mad about it because now it's I don't know. He kind of forced me to paint the whole car, if you think about it. Like, so now, even though I'm kind of mad about that, like, it's gonna be like, it's gonna look so much better when it's done now. Like, everything, the whole car. So. All right, guys, so whenever you have a new build like this, and, you know, just parts were sitting for, you know, who knows how long, you always have that chance that, like, you know, something's not gonna run properly, or maybe there's some pending computer codes for something that's wrong with it. So we're gonna hook this up. I've been driving the car. I think I put like, I don't know, we probably put like 30, 40 miles on it today. So we're gonna plug this in and see if there's any pending codes that haven't shown up yet. The car has gone through 4 drive cycles today only, so. What? Unreal. How is that possible? No codes received. Dude, how is that possible? Look, here, come. Look at this, you guys. It is so weird seeing this with just no check engine light. And, you know, as you guys saw the first couple of videos, if you watched it, you know, like there were a couple of lights on the whole time. And, you know, we still have our ABS light on and we still have our airbag light on. The airbag light just has to be cleared because the first couple times I started it up, I think both of the airbags are unplugged. And as you guys are aware, this car actually was in an accident. The airbags didn't deploy, interesting enough, but the Carfax says otherwise, and I don't know. Maybe I'm getting a little ahead of myself on that, but we're doing great here. The car's running really nice, and I don't know why I did that, but yeah, it's coming along great, guys. We've got a couple more little bugs to work out, so you guys are definitely going to see more videos on this car, and I definitely want to make 1 or 2 like kind of showing my final thoughts on like what the S2000 is and everything I like and don't like about it. So look for that too. I'm not sure when that's going to come out, but definitely that's going to come later, like after the car is done, basically, because, you know, you don't want to review a car that's like a whole bunch of different colors and, you know, you got warning lights on the dash or whatever. So anyway, you guys are probably done hearing me talk. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next week.